here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing 4 new beard oils in the Emu blend from BeardBrothers Beard Products. Alrighty, use non-affiliate code TheTruth15. I'll have the link down below. Save 15% on all BeardBrothers products. Check out my previous BeardBrothers content link down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you've tried BeardBrothers. Let me know what you thought. Also, let me know what you think of this new setup that I'm doing for this video. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, let's talk about BeardBrothers. So, they're a family-owned small batch beard company. The owners are Johnny and Vinny. They're two brothers, two bearded brothers. And they're based in Long Island, New York. And all their products are handmade small batch beard products. Super dope branding and labels, which have continued to improve over the last little while, like as I've interacted with the company over the last 2 years. Yeah, products sold include combs, beard oil, beard butter, beard wash, soap, apparel, and more. Next, let's talk about the scents that I got. Alrighty, like I said, I ordered 4 different oils and 4 new scents from BeardBrothers, and Johnny, the owner, mentioned that he's gonna throw in a couple extras, so he didn't tell me what those were, so I'm excited to find out about that. Before that, let's talk about the scent profile. So the first one is black, which is black leather, tonka bean, black pepper, vanilla, oud wood, vetiver, and smoke. And then I have a secret scent, which is unknown scent profile. If you look at the logos, like the artwork, you can probably take some guesses, but officially it's a secret scent, so don't know what's in it. Timberwood is cedarwood, red cherry, and blueberry. And then caramel apple is BeardBrothers' new fall scent, which is crisp green apples and warm salted caramel. And next, let's review the ingredients for the beard oil and the beard butter. Alright, so in the beard oil, this is the Emu blend that I have here, which I've been testing. I'll link my previous Emu blend unboxing video, but I've been using that stuff pretty consistently. Really good blend. Makes my beard feel really soft. Yeah, so beard oil is emu oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and fragrance oils for scent. And then the beard butter is shea butter, the conditioner, which is BTMS 25, sweet almond oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. And then next, let's unbox these products and check them out. Alright, so got the box here, the BeardBrothers logo. This box came nice and safely from New York in 9 days, so pretty fast international shipping. Definitely one of the faster ones that I've experienced. So shout out to BeardBrothers for that. Good job to USPS. Yeah, let's hop into this. So first, another BeardBrothers sticker. Very cool. That's awesome. I've got these in a couple different places. One on my laptop. I think I have one in my water bottle. Yeah, definitely really good stickers. And Johnny said, 23, what's good? Thank you again for all the support. Can't wait to see the unboxing video. One love, BeardBrothers. Sweet. Yeah, awesome. That's one of my favorite things about small batch companies is the handwritten notes. I've pretty well kept all the ones that I've gotten over the last couple of years, just in different bins. Maybe at some point in the next little bit I'll go through and check them all out for a video. Yeah, because I definitely do have a lot. Yeah, let's check these out. Oh, no way! So Johnny did mention that he was going to throw in some extras. So this is the first of those extras, and it is one of his former secret scents, which is now known as Space Ride. I've heard this is really good, so I'm excited to try this one out. Oh, that's awesome! Really cool labels, nice color, really good quality, restricted top bottles. Oh, that's awesome! I'm excited about that. And then next, in case you haven't seen my videos before, I'll go through all the scents in a minute once I've unboxed everything. Next, we got caramel apple, which is the new fall scent from BeardBrothers. And then next, Timberwoods. Yeah, Timberwood is cedarwood, red cherry, and blueberry. And I'll pull up the one for Space Ride real quick here. So here we go. So Space Ride is blueberry, orange, sweet tobacco, and black pepper. So definitely sounds really awesome. And then, like I said, caramel apple. Yeah, caramel apple is green apples and salty caramel. And then next, there's the secret scent with the blue writing. Excited to try this one out. My first secret scent from BeardBrothers. Definitely intrigued to see what's up with that. Oh, okay. So it looks like he sent black in the regular blend. Yeah, cool. Or the Emu blend. I haven't tried his original blend in a while. Yeah, it's definitely definitely excited to check out that scent. And then last but not least, ah, nice. He also sent a beard butter in Space Ride. Really cool container, nice glass. Yeah, really, really cool. Yeah, next let's check out these scents. Alright, so to start off, I'll also read the ingredients for the original blend, because that's what we have here for black. And that's jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. Let's give this a shake. This is black leather, tonka bean, black pepper, vanilla, oud wood, vetiver, and smoke. Warm it up. Ooh. It's like dark, but like clean at the same time. I feel like I smell the black leather, because you can tell it has like a leatherish hint to it, but not like normal leather. Smoke's pretty subtle, but I can pick up a little bit. Definitely get the vanilla. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Very nice scent. And then next we have the secret scent, which I checked with Johnny before this, and he's like, yeah, keep it a secret, because obviously it's the secret scent. So if you want to find out, try to guess what's in this, you definitely check this one out. Let's check this out. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, definitely excited to get that one in beard. Yeah, I like it. Very, very cool. And the next is Timberwoods, which, like I said, is cedarwood, red cherry, and blueberry. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, definitely get the sweetness of the red cherry and the blueberry off the bat, but I'm sure the cedarwood will come in more in beard. That's amazing. Very, very nice. Definitely got some good ones for the fall. Like I was actually saying to Johnny today that it's definitely a perfect time for this to arrive, because this just arrived earlier today. It's getting pretty cold where I live, so definitely time for the fall scents. And then next we got caramel apple, which is crisp green apples with warm salted caramel. Ooh. So I get the warm caramel off the bat, and then the crisp green apples kind of comes in behind it. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Very, very nice. And then next, last but not least, we've got Space Ride, which is formerly a secret scent. That one is blueberry, orange, sweet tobacco, and black pepper. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely get the orange. Sweet tobacco, yes, I can smell that a little bit. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Actually, since we have the butter for Space Ride, let's check it out in that one. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, blueberry, orange, sweet tobacco, and black pepper. Nice and smooth butter, nice poured butter. 2 ounces, really nice glass container. Nice and solid, feels really high quality. Yeah, so that's the scents that I got. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so that's the scents that I ordered. I got black, secret scent, timberwood, caramel apple, and then Johnny also sent Space Ride in the oil and butter. Shout out to Johnny for that, a couple extras, as well as the super dope sticker. Yeah, use code TheTruth15 to save 15% on BeardBrothers. Really, really good products. Check out my review on their original blend. Might do a review on their emu blend. I know I have a few more scents and I've been using it for a while, but I've really enjoyed it. Continue to use it and will continue to use it. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you've tried BeardBrothers and what your favorite scent is. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.